Hey guys, this is kind of a 5N here. Here we have a 2002 Aries 10-inch box fan. It was bought brand new at Walgreens, and I'm gonna run it now. Sorry about my voice, I have a cold, so here you go. Pretty powerful too. That's low. Medium. And high. And off. There used to be a regular sticker on here, but it fell off, so I put a masking tape and I wrote Aries on it. Here's the side of it. The back of it. The motor there. The other side. There's nothing really on the bottom. The UL listed sticker fell off. This got a little ruined over the years, but still works great. I'm not too worried about that. And due to it being a little older, does not have a fuse safety plug. Right there. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.